G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be installing one of these tailgate storage doobies from HURACAN Fabrication. Let's get cracking. So this is basically what you're looking at here, guys. Replaces the floor on your tailgate and it turns it into storage. So all that unused, wasted space under there, we're going to be using it. Now it does involve a bit of cutting, but they send you instructions and templates and all that, and they even send you some of this with the kit from car builders, so sound deadening stuff, so that's legit. We'll have a quick read of the instructions while we enjoy that beer, and then we'll get stuck into it. Pretty detailed, coloured photo instructions. Like, I think they did a pretty good job with that, and they're even using Ryobi. I will be too, so that's cool. We'll have a quick flick through this. Alright, so as always, step one is have a beer, so we're still doing that. Step two, get a screwdriver and get the old lid off. Alright, step three, remove the three little cover things and get the foam out of it. Sounds easy enough. Alright, foam bits are out. I think they're just there to stop that locking thing from vibrating around, so they're done. Now we've got to lay the template out. Now what that animal is. Hopefully it's friendly. We gotta put the template out, mark it around, get ready to cut. So let's go get our shit together. This is pretty good. Check out this. So this is your template, and it's even got the holes there so you can line it up perfectly. That's awesome. So I don't even reckon I'll be able to stuff this up. Touch wood. Alright, so the bolts are in the holes holding the template in place. So then we just gotta trace around it and we're good to go. Now we've got that all marked out. I might just get a towel or something to put across here so I'm not getting metal shavings and shit in the back of the car. But I think we're good to go. Now's the scary part. So that's all done. We're pretty much ready to go now. We've got to get our tools sorted. Got the towel up in the background just to catch any of the metal. But we're good. Got our grinder, got our earplugs. I'll just close my eyes. Nah, I'll go and get safeties in a sec, and we'll get cutting. Slightly nervous about this, but it should be right. The instructions are pretty clear. One thing to note, guys, they say not to cut it all out in one go, because if you do, it'll put too much flex and vibration through the big piece. So cut it out in sort of sections, leave little bits holding it structurally together, and then once you've done most of it, go back and just nip all them off. So I'm just letting the grinder cool down a bit. Good excuse for a beer, and then we'll get back into it. We're cut, so pretty much done. Just got to pop it off. Looks like it's stuck a little bit in these ribs, so I'll figure out what's going on there. Feels like there's spot welds. Oh, I did say something about that. There we go. You got to drill the spot welds out, and then we should be sweet. Hurrah! Now refer back to step one. Well, once you've done that, good time to get a file and clean up your dodgy cutting because you're shit at it and you've had too many step ones. But once you've done that, we can chuck the actual thing, what do you call that? You know what I'm talking about, on there and see if it fits. Well, there you go. She's on. All the holes line up. It's looking pretty. You beauty. Alright, so now take it back off, vacuum all the metal shavings and shit out the bottom of it, and paint where you cut so it doesn't rust. Because all that metal shit inside will rust, so you got to get that out. Give it a good clean, paint your edge, mint. Alright, we've vacuumed out all of the little metal shavings and everything. Another little tip, lift the tailgate up when you think you've got it all out and drop it, like bang it, and you'll get a lot more come out from underneath those little creases and shit. So do that a few times until you keep banging, nothing comes out. Then you're ready for paint. I'm just using rust guard, nothing special, just, you know, black paint, so it doesn't really matter as long as it's sealed. So we'll give her a spray, then we can put the body deadener shit in, and we're pretty much good to bolt it on. I'm going to let that dry for one beer, and then I'll hit it again. I'll probably do 2 or 3 coats on it, just so I know it's properly sealed. I'm a little bit anal about that sort of stuff, because I don't want this old girl to rust. So yeah, that's it. Alright, all that's done, the paint's dried, we did 3 coats. Now we got to chuck the sound deadener in, so we'll do that. And then we're nearly done. Oh yeah. One more stage 1 before we get going. I'm not sure if there's any right or wrong way to do this, so I'm just going to sort of jam it in there and then just cut around, pull it out, peel the sticky shit off the back and stick it in. Can't be that important, can it? Oh, that's good shit. That's sticky as. Alright, car builders. Just going to try and stick the middle bit down first and then just sort of fold it up underneath, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Full disclosure. Wow, it's not often a plan comes together. That actually worked out alright. That is some good stuff. Car builders, that is quality. Really, really sticky. But should do the job, should be awesome. Well, there you go, boys. All done. So one big bit in and then just 2 little offcuts, one on each side. So that's done. Now we can slap it on. One more step 1 first. Cheers. Well, there we go, boys. All done. You'll be beauty. Let's chuck it on, see what it looks like. Oh. All the holes have lined up. There's a tow bar there. Let's bolt her in. That is dead set perfect. Every hole lined up. No dramas at all, even with me installing it. So hats off. You did well, boys. You did really well. So no need for Loctite. These bad boys are nylock nuts. So we'll just do them up. Put the locks on. Alright, well that's all bolted down and secured. Now we just got to bang the locks on. We got ourselves some storage, boys and girls. Hell yeah. So your locks have got a 10mm bolt on the back of them. So just undo that to get that bracket off. Then you can sit them in. And all you have to do is set the adjustment on that bolt there. And that'll give you your tension when you close it. And that sound deadener stuff, it's pretty sticky. You're gonna get a bit of bark off you too, just, you know, sharp edges. But that's pretty much it. So we'll bang them in. I have one more beer, I think. This is like a 27-step process, guys, so just hang in there, bear with me. Point to note, I am going to put some Loctite on that because it's just threaded, no nylock nut or anything, so a bit of Reggie dead. Alright, so as far as tension goes, I've wound it down to that. So that's about the thread length we need. So I'll wind that nut there up a bit, put a bit of Loctite and lock him back down. That's what we want. Hell yeah. Ta-da! Well, there you have it, guys. Done. Pretty simple install, nothing too tricky. You will get a bit of bark off your hands, but that may have something to do with, you know, but anyway. Thanks, guys. You make an awesome product. I'll be sure to recommend this to anyone who sees the 80. So, top quality stuff, so easy, great instructions, perfect fit, everything lines up. It's all you can ask for in a product. I'll be sure to test the shit out of it on the track, so yeah, you'll see what happens. So I'm expecting great things from this, and the birds are annoying, so I'm just gonna give it a beer test. It's pretty sturdy too, so, well, my tailgate wasn't even bent, so that's a bonus, but alright, that's enough. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Toodaloo, ta-da, bye. Love you.